Y'all,
True stories.
I found the Wild Rocket Wheels TV, not TV. Whoa, I keep messing it up. Rocket Wheels YT YouTube or whatever. I tried to face reveal him, but he said no. So like, it's pointed towards me. Guy, he's right there. He's like right there. I'm gonna spit in his hair. Guys.
I wanted to sit back here so I could be alone, bro.
Yeah, there's his voice reveal. Yeah.
Sit back here so I could be alone.
No, you're not gonna do drugs back here alone. Let me join. Anyways, yeah.